Circularity is really addressing the throwaway culture. It's making things last longer in the field, it's saving on pollution and less dependency on resources into the market. It's making those assets that we use every day, particularly in electrical equipment, last a lot longer. It helps us address their end of life as well, recycling those materials and keeping a more sustainable environment for the planet. Well, for businesses in 2024, circularity is going to be a major theme. There are two main reasons driving it. The first is regulatory, and the second is around competitiveness in the market. From a regulatory standpoint, the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive in Europe and the Inflation Reduction Act in the US are both driving carbon reduction and benefits around carbon reduction. Increasing the life of the asset in the field and doing upgrades and retrofits can save anywhere up to 30% for a business rather than doing a break-fix culture or a replace culture. So it helps the environment and it also helps the community as well. When it comes to the types of retrofits we're doing, applying new technology, integrating Internet of Things enables smarter and better decisions to be made around the asset and can help extend the life even further for the product.